Well, let us graph this square root function shown right here. So there's a couple things you need to know. The first one is you need to know what the parent function y equals the square root of x would look like. And here's what it looks like. It starts off at the origin and then it curves off to the right like that. Now, you need to understand what happens to this basic graph as I make a few modifications. For example, if I put a minus h right here, whatever this is going to move us to the right by h. Alright, if this were a plus, then it would move us left. Now, if I put a plus k on the end, this moves us up k. And if this were minus, it would move us down. Okay? Now, if there were a negative sign right here, that would have the effect of turning the whole graph upside down. We refer to this as a reflection over the x-axis. Now, so let's look at this. Now, I haven't talked about this yet. We probably won't need to talk about it. That would be called an a value. Notice that 2/3 is less than 1. That is a vertical compression, which would make this graph a little bit shorter than it is. It would be squished. But we probably won't need that information in order to, because this is a multiple choice question. So, what we have, let's see, what about the h value? Is there an x plus something or an x minus something? No. There's no other number under the radical other than x. So there's no right or left. But this plus 2, notice it is outside of the radical. That's like this k value. So this means that the graph is going to be shifted up 2. Also, see this negative sign in the front. That is going to be a reflection over the x-axis. Okay, so it's going to be upside down. So we're looking for something that is up 2, okay, and it is upside down like this instead of like this. Okay, all of these graphs are upside down, so that this part doesn't really help us narrow it down. Let's see, this one is up 2, so A is a possible. This one is over to the right 2 and down 1, so that's no good. This is down 2, that's no good. This is left 2, that's no good. So this is the only one that is up 2 as it should be, so the answer is A.